Good morning, students. Welcome to Adarsh Group of Education, and today we are discuss about the vector form of Coulomb's law or Coulomb's law vector representation. Okay. Before to starting, I say something about the classes. थोड़ा बहुत पढ़ लिया करो यारो, है ना। और पढ़ने के साथ साथ न्यूमेरिकल देते हैं, लिख रहे हैं आप लोगों को ग्रुप में क्या न्यूमेरिकल करो 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 और उन्हें सॉल्व करके भेजो। कोई रेस्पॉन्स ही नहीं है, सारे के सारे सो रहे। देखो छुट्टियां उट्टियां नहीं पड़ी है, ये तो ठीक है, कोरोना वोरोना की वजह से आप लोगों के लिए क्लासें नहीं हो रही है, उसके लिए बेनिफिट देखिए, मेहनत कर रहा है ना, कोई मेहनत किए जा रहा है, चल रहा है, तो कम से कम रेस्पॉन्स तो बनता है यार। क्लासरूम में भी होते तब तक हाँ ना, आ रहा है नहीं आ रहा है समझ में, ये हो रहा है नहीं हो रहा है, तब तक तो कैसे आगे बढ़ेंगे। तो उस चीज को थोड़ा सा समझो, करो, ट्राई करोगे तभी कुछ होगा, है ना। सर ठीक है, ओके, कुछ तो रेस्पॉन्स करो यार, बिना रेस्पॉन्स देना थम वम कर दिया करो कि हाँ ठीक है सर। जहां तक तो मतलब कुछ समझते ही बात है, कुछ लोगों को तो फोन कर करके बोल रहे हैं अरे नोट्स बना लो बना लो। सारों से लगभग कांटेक्ट हो चुके हैं, कुछ एक के नहीं है, तो वो लोग भी है ना करने के लिए ट्राई करो, कैसे ना कैसे नोट्स बनाओ। कुछ एक के फोन किया था, वो गांव में है, उधर ना तो नेटवर्क है ना उनके पास वो है, तो बेस्ट प्लान है थोड़ा थोड़ा सा हम लोग पढ़ना शुरू किए। माओ इन्वायरमेंट अब लोग कवर हो रहा है, स्टडी का मटेरियल से आने वाले क्वेश्चंस कर रहे हैं, न्यूमेरिकल भी साथ साथ करा रहा हूँ, तो फिर शुरू हो जाओ। अब ऐसे तो चलेगा नहीं ना, ठीक है। तो चलिए लेट्स स्टार्ट। ओके, yesterday I give you two numerical unsolved numerical of RBSC book, question number first and question number fifth. Okay, so let's see first numerical. Two small charge spheres are separated by a distance of 30 centimeter in an air whose charge are 2 into 10 की power minus 7 coulomb and 3 into 10 की power minus 7 coulomb respectively. Calculate the force between them, also find out its nature. Okay, let's see solution. What is given that Q1, what is the value of Q1? 2 multiple 10 की power minus 7 coulomb, and what is the value of Q2? 2 into 10 की power minus 7, 3 into 10 की power minus 7 coulomb. Okay, and separation distance, okay, 30 centimeter. Okay, the distance given in the CGS form, then convert on the MKS system. 2 into what is the mean of C? 10 की power minus 3 meter. Mean R is equal to 3 into 10 की power minus 2 meter. Okay, and we know that F is equal to K Q1 Q2 upon R square. Correct or not? Put value of K Q1 Q2 and R in the upper equation, then F is equal to what is the value of K? फटाफट बताओ। 9 into 10 की पावर 9 मल्टीपल 2 into 10 की पावर 7 मल्टीपल 3 into 10 की पावर 7 डिवाइड बाई 30 मल्टीपल 10 की पावर माइनस 2 का होल स्क्वायर। ओके, सॉलिड 9 मल्टीपल में 2 मल्टीपल में 3 10 की पावर 7 10 की पावर 7 14 प्लस 9 कितना, व्हाट इज दिस 10 की पावर 9 और 14 और एक माइनस 5 अपॉन 30 मल्टीपल में 30 मल्टीपल 10 की पावर माइनस 4 30 ओके, 9 इंटू 6 मल्टीपल 10 की पावर 5 एंड 9 मल्टीपल में 10 की पावर माइनस 2। F इज इक्वल टू सिंप्लीफाई 9 मल्टीपल में 9 6 एंड 10 की पावर माइनस 2 ऊपर साइड जाएगा तो प्लस के 2, ओके, 10 की पावर माइनस 3 न्यूटन। चेक इट, द आंसर इज 6 मल्टीपल में 10 की पावर माइनस 6 न्यूटन। ओके, फाइंड आउट द नेचर both charges are positive charge, 2 multiple में 10 की power 7 and 3 multiple में 10 की power 7. Then nature is repulsion. Okay, then nature is repulsion. Noted? आ गया ना पहला वाला न्यूमेरिकल? अरे सोल्व हो गया ना, एक बार देख लेना, फिर भी कुछ होना तो पूछ लेना भैया, ऐसे मत करना कि कराए जा रहे हैं, है ना। और थोड़ा सा अब ठीक है रेस्पॉन्स देना शुरू करो, जब तक रेस्पॉन्स नहीं आएगा ना न्यूमेरिकल मजेदार नहीं होंगे। डेरिवेशन करवा दिया है, फॉर्मूला बेस्ड न्यूमेरिकल है, थोड़ा सा कंसेप्ट वाला न्यूमेरिकल करते हैं। चलो ओके, लेट्स स्टार्ट। आई राइट इट। Two identical conducting sphere B and C, okay, are equally charged, and there is a force of repulsion F. Okay, means according to questions, according to examiners, two identical spheres given to me and given to B and C, and the force between F, or which type of force? Repulsion force. Mean the polarity of the charge is same. Clear or not? पहले देख लो कि सर कई लोग क्वेश्चंस करते हैं बाद में, सर फिजिक्स ठीक तो है न्यूमेरिकल नहीं बन रहे होते। अब भैया कैसे बनेंगे, है ना। पहले तो क्वेश्चन को समझना तो जाओ कि किस क्या पूछ रहा है। तो रीड इट अगेन। टू आइडेंटिकल कंडक्टिंग स्फीयर बी एंड सी, और शुरू हो जाओ solution. Two identical sphere, that is B and this one is C, है ना। Charge and there is a force of repulsion. What do you mean the force of repulsion? According to charge law, fundamental law, like charge repulse each other. Correct or not? यार एक तो बाइक वाइक ना, ये थोड़ा सा एडजस्ट करने में बार बार परेशानी होगी, ठीक है। रिपल्शन फोर्स, ओके, means bond charges are same. So let's say this one is Q and this one is Q, है ना। and force between them is F. तो according to question F is equal to K Q1 Q2. So what is the value of Q1 is Q, and what is the value of Q2 is also Q. Okay, then Q multiple में Q upon distance between, let the distance between them is R. Then Q1 Q2 upon R square. तो F is equal to K Q square upon R square. Equation number first. Clear it? Clear? Okay. एक बार और देखो कि two identical sphere B and C. To consider two identical sphere B and C are charged and there is a force of repulsion. So means what do you mean? Too easy. What is the mean of repulsions? You say, sir, two like charges are placed. Okay, means B and C sphere have consist of two same polarity charge. To consider same polarity charge, positive Q charge and positive Q charge placed the length difference distance between is R. Okay, then force is F is equal to K Q multiple में Q upon R square. Okay, clear? Okay, after that the third sphere conductor is also identical of them but is uncharged. Let third sphere is A and A is uncharged. A is uncharged. Okay, according to question A is uncharged. According to question A is uncharged. Okay, and after that according to question, it is first kept in the contact with B. Contact. Firstly, A is contact to B. Then what will happen? Charge on B is Q. Okay. Then according to method of transfer of charge on a conduction method, the half and same polarity charge transfer to the A. Correct or not? When two objects are in constant, then how to transfer the charge? Sir, you say, sir, charge, same polarity charge and half amount of charge transfer to the other object. So half amount of charge means A is Q by 2 and B also is Q by 2. Correct or not? First condition is clear कि firstly A uncharged sphere A keep contact charge sphere B and sphere B charge is A. Then what be done? The half charge of transfer of A and polarity is same. Half charge transfer of A and polarity is same. थोड़ा सा इसमें एडजस्ट करते हैं. हेलो, चलो पढ़ते ही ना. माइक थोड़ा सा, हाँ पढ़ ही रहे हैं अपन. माइक ने थोड़ा सा डिस्टर्ब कर दिया था, माइक हटा दिया है. चलो कोई बात नहीं, एक अलग ही एक्सपीरियंस था माइक वाला है ना, अपने अपने बस की बात नहीं, अपन तो ऐसे ही. ठीक है, चलिए. आफ्टर दैट फर्स्ट कंडीशन, इन अ फर्स्ट कंडीशन चार्ज ए अनचार्ज्ड, स्पेयर ए इज अनचार्ज्ड स्पेयर एंड स्पेयर बी इज चार्ज. द अमाउंट ऑफ चार्ज एंड स्पेयर बी इज क्यू. Then when they are kept constant contact, then Q charge is transferred to the A. Okay, how many amount of transfer? Half amount is transfer and polarity is same. Okay, after that second condition, then with C, ठीक है, then A is A contact to the C. A and this one is C, this one is C A and this one is Q by 2. Then total additivity, use additivity. Okay, then Q plus additivity, Q plus Q by 2. How many? 3Q by 2. 3Q by 2 charge. After that, then they are separate. Then again, what will happen? Separate. Then half and half amount is transferred to the both charges. Means C is half. So 3 by 2, half of 3Q by 2 is 3Q by 4. Correct or not? Means 3Q by 4 and 3Q by 4. C and A. Okay, means 3 by Q, 3Q upon 4 charge and 3Q upon 4 charge on the both sphere. Okay, clear? Note it. Determine the new force of repulsion between B and C. Okay, what is the charge of B? What is the charge of B? Charge of B is Q by 2. And what is the charge of C? What is the charge of C? 3 upon 4Q. Distance is same R. Apply Coulomb's law. Coulomb's law. F is equal to K Q. What is the value of Q1? Q by 2. Q2. What is the value of Q2? Is 3 upon 4Q upon R square. F is equal to K
q and q is q square, 3 and 4 multiple to 2 add upon r square. Equation number 2. Correct? Any doubt? Compare equation 2 and first. Compare equation 2 and first. Then new force F1. New force F1 is 3 upon 8 same and Fk q square upon r. This one is a F. This one is a F. Okay. Then F1 is 3 by 2 of F, or F1 is 3 by 2 F. And also property is repulsive. Property is repulsive. Okay, important terms, important, and you know, when we are study of gravitation force, I say to you, when you come under 12th class, the first chapter, you are same topics are same topic we are concerned. Okay, correct or not? Yes. Then you know gravitation force, and this is one Coulomb force. We are read in a 11th class vector form of gravitation force, and now in a 12th class we are represent vector form of Coulomb's law. So write down heading vector form of Coulomb's law. Vector form of Coulomb's law. Write down heading vector law of Coulomb's law. Consider a coordination x, y and z, and there is origin point O. Let q1 and q2 point charge placed. Let q1 and q2 point charge placed in the xy plane. The q1 and q2 point charge placed in the xy plane. Clear? Let the position vector is r1 vector and r2 vector of the q1 and q2 charged. Okay, let is from the origin. Let is this. See, be careful. R1 vector and this one is R2 vector. Any doubt? For the vector form of Coulomb's law, always consider both charges same polarity. Okay, always consider both charges same polarity. Okay. Okay. Then Q1 and Q2. Q1 force apply. Q1 charge apply a force, act of force on Q2, then positive charge and positive charge or same polarity charge repel to each other, then Q1 apply a force, repulsion force of Q2. We are consider F21 and the displacement distance is this one, R12 vector. Okay, this is Q1. Apply a force, repulsion force of on Q2, then represent F21. Okay, and the displacement vector distance between these R12, 1 to 2. Okay, and repulsion is F21 is equal to, what is this? Force on Q1 charge due to force on Q2 charge due to Q1, and FR12 is displacement between Q1 and Q2. Correct or not? Okay. Then F21 is K Q1 Q2 upon, what is distance? R12 vector square and unit vector R12 vector. Equation number first. Correct. Similarly, at Q2 charge apply a force along to the line of displacement on Q1 charge. Then this one is the direction of force F1. Correct or not? So F12 is force on Q1 charge, force on Q1 charge due to Q2 charge, and displacement is R21. Okay, displacement is R21, this one. Okay, this is a displacement. Why we are displacement? Because force is a vector quantity. Okay, then F12 represent K Q1 Q2 upon R21 vector, R21 vector, be carefully, vector square, and unit vector is R21 cap. Equation number second. Okay, let's again Q1 charge apply a force to the Q2 charge, and the both charge in same polarity, then is apply repulsion force. Okay, then the displacement is R21 downside. Okay, then F21 force due to charge 1 on Q2 is K Q1 Q2 R12 vector square and R12 cap. Similarly, Q2 force apply a force in Q2 charge, apply a force on Q1, then the repulsion force is upside F12 and direction of displacement is this side, upper side. Okay. Any doubt? Nothing? Okay. According to diagram, R21 cap is equal to minus of R12 cap. Equation number 3. Correct or not? R21 this side and R12 downside, then minus of R12, because it is a unit vector, only represented direction. So similarly, this is a one side and this is the other side. Though one is positive, then the second is opposite side. Okay, put value of R okay, and same change is R12 vector is minus of R12, R21 vector is R12 minus of R12 vector. Both is equation number 3. Okay. Put value of R12 and R21 vector in equation second. Any doubt? Okay. What is the second equation? F12 K Q1 Q2 upon R21 vector square and R21 K. Okay. F12 is equal to K Q1 Q2 upon R. Put the value of R21 is replace value of R21 is minus R12 vector whole square and minus of R12 vector. F12 vector K Q1 Q2 square of minus is positive plus R12 square or minus R12. Equation number 4. Correct? Compare equation first and second. F12. This one is what is the value of this one? This all value is F21 is equal to minus of F21. Correct or not? What is the mean? Means two charges are apply a force opposite direction of both sides. Correct or not? Okay. One student asked to me if sir both charges are opposite polarity, so let us consider first is positive charge and second one is negative charge, magnitudely same. This charge is attract to this side and this charge attract to positive side, then direction of the force is again opposite, this one this side, this one this side. Okay, positive and positive charge, plus Q and plus Q charge, same chip. This is repulsion, also this is repulsion. Minus Q charge and minus Q charge, minus and minus repulsion, and this Q charge is also is repulsion. Then always be okay. Force direction of force is always be opposite. So opposite magnitudely same. What is this one? Magnitude same and direction is opposite. Then this is called Newton's third law. It is follow Newton third law. Which type of law? Action reaction law. Okay, action reaction law. Correct? Okay. Any doubt? कोई डाउट है? वेक्टर फॉर्म रिप्रेजेंटेशन एक बार और देख लेते हैं. F21. Okay, what is the mean of F21 when force applied this side? है ना? Now F21 means force on charge Q2 due to the Q1. So then value 1 Q1 Q2 and displacement 1 this side to this side R12 vector का whole square. Okay, and R12 F12 force on charge Q1 due to charge Q2 this side. K Q1 Q2 R21 and R21K. We know that according to diagram R12 cap is equal to R21 cap and R12 vector is equal to minus of R21 vector. Put both value n is, then we are proved R21 is minus of R21. This is a magnitudely same. because k q1 q upon r are displacement, the magnitude of the displacement is same. Okay, then magnitude of the both force is same and direction is opposite, then it is follow to the Newton's third law, action and reaction law. Any doubt? Okay, now extended vector form. Okay, let's see. F21 is k q1 q2 upon r12 vector का whole square and r12 k, and F12 is equal to k q1 q2. F12 means force is then r21 or r21 vector. We know that r vector is equal to r12 vector and magnitude of r12. Correct or not? And this square is also magnitudely, because if you put a minus sign, then minus ka square is positive. Then F21 is k q1 q2, r12 is magnitude square and r12 vector and r12 magnitude. Okay. Then F21 is k q1 q2 upon r12 q and r12 vector. Any doubt? Nothing? Okay, let's see. Apply vector representations. R1 this side and this one is R1, positive direction of R12. R12 we are going original to point Q. After that we are going to the Q point to Q2 plus, and after that we are going to again origin. So R1 is positive, R12 is positive, then R2 is negative is equal to 0. Then R12 is equal to R2 positive and R1 is negative. So R12 vector is, what is R21 vector minus R1 vector? Then F21 is k q1 q2 R2 minus R1 vector and R2 minus R1 vector q. Similarly, F12 is k q1 q2 R1 q, R1 vector minus R2 vector q and R1 vector minus R2 vector. Okay, this is a representation of vector form of Coulomb's law.